India has a motorcycle temple, a rat temple, and recently I took you guys to India's bear temple. Now, today I'm taking you to India's food temple. You will not believe this place. There are priests in this temple cooking 56 different holy Hindu dishes. It is out of this world. We're gonna try the food as well, don't worry. And this video is special because these kitchens are being relocated soon. So chalo, come and explore incredible India with me now. Right now, the priests are cooking in these small little rooms over these wood fires. They're preparing the food, and the food is all sattvic, which means there's no chili, there's no garlic, there's no onion used at all. And you'll notice they're cooking in these earthen pots. It's a very old school traditional way of cooking. They've got their firewood behind us here, and the whole place is just surrounded by these earthen pots, and yeah, they're filled with all the chopped vegetables. It's really incredible. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Oh, I can't go any further. So the way they prepare these foods, they have very, very strict regulations, okay? It has to be prepared by Brahmins, and as an outsider and I'm not a Brahmin, I can't really enter into these specific areas. They're just for the priests. Only the priests are allowed to cook here, the Brahmin priests. This is the temple's cat. This priest's cat, the cat's name is Pushy. And yeah, it's drinking, what is this? Yeah, doodh hai. Acha, wow, what a lucky cat. The way these guys are all just cooking so much food to be sold in a market later. And I guess this is a way that the priests and the temple can earn some money by feeding people. By feeding people this sacred food actually, it's holy. It's called prasad, and it is actually blessed by the god before it's sold. So this is holy food, and this is a 13th century temple, and they're still cooking from those same recipes from back then. So they don't have any imported vegetables here. There's no tomato, there's no potatoes they use. It is all very, very traditional, only Indian vegetables and spices from that time. They're keeping the traditions really, really old school, and yeah, it's incredible to see. Here in Odisha, they don't just give laddu as prasad, you know. So many temples, they're just giving out laddu, right? But there are so many different curries and varieties of food here that they have as prasad in Odisha. Even fish. There are some kind of fish temples where the god's favorite food is fish, and so that's the prasad that is given to people who visit the temple. The food is now being blessed. It is literally being carried in every single pot into this temple here, and it's in front of the gods. And there's priests in there blessing every single pot. People are just bringing it in and bringing the food out. We're gonna go and eat the food now. It's gonna be served to us in Anand Bazaar, just over this side. So this whole kind of premises is connected. You've got the kitchens on the far left. In the middle, you've got the temple where the food gets blessed. Then it gets brought across here to Anand Bazaar, where we can buy and eat the food. I can hear them blessing the food in there now. Anyway, let's go through to Anand Bazaar. And I've never seen anything quite like this before. Honestly, a temple with a market like this? Just look at this. There's like 20 or 30 different stores here in this bazaar, and all selling this pure food cooked by these Brahmin priests. Have you ever seen a bazaar inside of a temple grounds? What? This is something special, seriously. India never stops amazing me, you know? And the variety of temples and what people are doing in these temples is it's really cool. These guys with the baskets on their heads, they're carrying the food into the market now. And they're literally selling it from these earthen pots. We're gonna take a banana leaf and we're gonna fill it up, and yeah, we're gonna chow down on this food now. And I wasn't sure how it was gonna look, right? It's sattvic, it's missing some spices that I love, but it just looks incredible, the food here. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Now you guys can't see him, but Vish has been here the whole time with me.
Hello.
And bro, how do you know this guy that we're gonna buy our food from?
Over the years, we've realized that the quality that he gives is really good. So
Cool, so you guys have like tied up with this guy basically. He's your favorite here.
he's my favorite. Yeah, I
Cool.
love him, and he's a thorough gentleman. His name is Niranjan Bhaina. I think his food, his bhojan or his prasad that he serves up is of the best quality.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's try it. Let's dig in. He's just packing a takeaway order now. And they pack these takeaway orders in these urban pods as well. It's so cool. So first we have to clean the plate. We're eating off this banana leaf. So you just put a bit of water on it and just kind of rub it around and then throw the water off. Sorry, G, I threw the water on this priest here. Sorry. And now he's gonna start serving me. So we've got rice. Acha. These are all different flavors of rice here. Wow. Oh my god. This is already too much food for me though. How am I gonna eat all this? Alright. Guys, I have 11 different dishes here in front of me, and honestly, I thought that this Satvik food would be kind of tasteless because that's what I've experienced in the past. But I've dipped my finger in every single one of these curries and these rices and tasted them already, and the flavors are so strong and beautiful. I cannot believe what I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's truly incredible. Let's start with the rices there. I've got 3 rices. This first rice is called Oriya rice, and it's named after the people of Odisha. This rice, it's basically a really, really fragrant pilau. It's cooked with raisins and, I don't know, a few other little spices. It's very, very delicate flavor. It's very aromatic. We got plain rice. I'm not going to bother with that. Then we have this one. I'm going to call it sweet rice. It's yellow. For some reason it's sweet. I've never had sweet rice before. This is the thing, I would eat this last. It's more like a dessert. Now, to the curries, to the dals, to the chole, my favorite. Let's start with this typical yellow dal. Ugh. So, yellow dal is usually really tasty, right? This one they've put in tons and tons of sugar. It's a sweet dal. I mean, I can handle the sweet rice, but a sweet dal, no thanks. But they've done this because Lord Jagannath, he likes sweet things, right? So that's why some of these things are a bit sweeter, the rice and the dal. The dal is very sweet, too sweet. Chalo, next one. I'm gonna go for the chole. Chole is always my favorite. Wow. It tastes like a Punjabi pinned chole, you know, like a village chole. Very, very good. Tons of flavor. Even though like there's no onion, still so much flavor. Wow. Now this one in front of me, this is dalma. This is one of the most famous dishes here in Odisha. Let's give it a go now. This is more like it. There's no sugar in there. It's like a yellow dal. There's this fruit, no, this vegetable that you get in India. I have no idea what it's called, but it looks like a tiny watermelon. Next I got this kind of chutney. It's tamarind and a few other things. And just check out the color. It's very, very, I don't know, what is this color? Maroon. It's a very tangy and very sweet tamarind chutney. This next one is called mohura. And it's kind of like a leafy green curry. Kind of like it looks like a spinach curry to me. Let's give it a go. Get a strong taste of like leafy spinach, leafy greens in it. It's okay, it's okay. And what I've noticed in most of these dishes is a little bit of mustard. There's at least mustard seeds in these dishes, and this is very, very typical of food here in Odisha. You get like fish cooked with just mustard, like fish and mustard together. If you like mustard, this is the place for you. And one of my favorite dishes actually is sarso, kasag, and maki roti, where we get that in like Punjab and Haryana, and that comes from the mustard plant as well. This next one, it's another dal, and it's called besora, and I'm gonna call it mustard dal. There's a vegetable in here which basically looks and tastes like a potato, but it's not potato. And yeah, it tastes like mustard and potato. It's a mustard dal. The flavors are just so strong and so yummy. Alright, I'm on to the 10th dish here, mohoro. Less mustard, and it's a mixed vegetable type curry. I've got kheer left, which is a sweet dish, we'll leave that for last. And then I have this fruity raita. This is like raita on steroids. This is extreme raita. It's called pachiri. My goodness, oh God. Jai Jagannath. That's all I can say about this food, Jai Jagannath. It's not even a raita, it's like a fruit salad, an Indian fruit salad. It's the best way I can describe it. It's got these massive grapes. It's got pomegranates. It's got cucumber. It's got apple. And lots of coconut. It's something special, man, this food, honestly. Now onto the kheer. Can you tell how happy I am being here and eating all this amazing food? This stuff is so unique, you won't get it anywhere else. How can I eat kheer without a spoon? Chalo, let's try. Yeah, there's an ant. Ja. There you are. You might eat a few ants while you're here. Let it be. Here we go. Oh, it's warm. Whoa. The kheer is less sweet, I'm happy about that. Kheer is basically like sweet rice pudding. It's very good. Wow. This has been such a unique experience. My favorites here, definitely the Oriya rice. The chole. And this amazing, amazing coconut kind of fruit salad. I could live off these 3 dishes and the kheer too. If you get time and you come to Bhubaneswar, you have to come to this temple and you have to do this. This whole plate of food is going to set you back around 150 rupees only, okay? And you can get takeaway for your family. You just order as to how many people you have, okay? And they're going to serve you the takeaway in those earthen pots as well. Everything is eaten out of these and banana leaves. Now guys, go and check out Just Vish's channel and support my channel. Hit that join button, become a channel member, and get a bunch of member only exclusive benefits so I can continue to keep bringing you videos from here in incredible India. Thank you guys so much for your support. And bro, 1, 2, 3. Jai Hind.
Jai Jagannath.
And Jai Jagannath. Say yeah.